Hey folks, welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to be making corned beef and cabbage. It's the month of March and there's a holiday that loves cabbage and corned beef, St. Patrick's Day. So that's what we're going to be cooking. It's only 5 ingredients: cabbage, onion, carrots and potatoes, and the corned beef and the seasoning. I've already put corned beef in the pot and you just pour enough water over it to cover it. And I'm going to sprinkle on the little seasoning package that comes with it, and I'm going to sprinkle it over the top. You're supposed to cook it for 45 to 50 minutes per pound, and mine's 3 pounds. And so we're going to cook it about 2 hours, and then you start adding your vegetables. So we got this a cooking, and we'll be back in a bit and show you the preparation for the vegetables. It's boiling. I cut it down to simmer, and we're going to do that. Let it cook. If you don't have time to cut up all this, you can at the store get it pre-cut. You can use shredded carrots or chopped up carrots. Either way, cut up onion, already cut up potatoes. But all you have to do, these are small red potatoes, and pretty much all you have to do is just wash them and cut them in half. And so there's no really prep there. gotten all my vegetables cut up, waiting on the meat to cook, and after that we're going to add our vegetables. Well, we're going to add 3 of the vegetables, and then we'll add this last because it don't take long to cook. Our meat is almost done. It's been cooking for about 2 hours, and now we're going to add the vegetables. It's real tender. Then we're going to add the carrots and the onion. And the potatoes. Get them down in that broth. We're going to let them cook for 8 to 10 minutes until the potatoes are soft. And then we're going to add the cabbage. I've checked my potatoes and carrots and they're done almost. I'm fixing to add the cabbage. I wish y'all could smell this. This is so good. I'm just going to put the cabbage on top. We'll push it down in the broth some. And myself, I'm going to put a couple of tablespoons of butter on top. We'll do 3. And I'm going to do probably a teaspoon of pepper. I love pepper, but that's added. I'm going to put the lid back on, and we're going to let it cook about 15 more minutes, and then we'll go from there. The cabbage and beef is done, and I'm fixing to take the meat out to let it rest for 15 minutes. And I'm just going to keep my vegetables in the stock because they're done. And I'm going to turn it off. See that cabbage and looks delicious. I've got my meat out. I'm going to put foil over it and let it rest for about 15 minutes. I've turned out the heat in my vegetables. We're just going to let them sit there until we plate it up. And after this cools for 15 minutes, then we're going to slice it and plate it up, and we'll bring it back to show you what delicious it looks like. Now I'm going to cook some cornbread with this a little bit later on, because you got to have cornbread with cabbage. You know, some people eat it with that soda bread. I've never tried it, but I'm game. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite recipe for St. Patty's Day. If you like sweet or savory or both, let me know. Also in the description there will be a recipe and a link to my website so you can download a printable recipe. There is a link in the description to check out my Etsy store for Aunt Sandy's kitchen merchandise, as well as any affiliate links that I may have. Thank you always for watching my videos, and God bless.